the end of this video, you will be able to multiply numbers like 42 times 11 and square numbers like 85 squared in your head faster than you can type them. I have been teaching maths privately for 2 years, and in my hometown Latvia, I have already helped thousands of students to level up their mathematics skills. And now my goal is to bring this knowledge that I gained in Latvia and show it to the world. In the next 5 minutes, I will teach you 5 arithmetic shortcuts, from the all from 9 subtraction trick to the double and half multiplication method. My plan is simple: give you the tools to make arithmetic your superpower. Ready to make your brain faster than your computer? Let's dive into trick number 1. First up, the magic 11. Let me show you how to multiply any 2-digit number with number 11. Let's take 42 times 11. Here's the rule: take 2 digits, 4 and 2, and leave a space between them. Now just add those 2 digits together. 4 plus 2 is 6, and drop that 6 right in the middle. The answer is 462. Let's try another. 63 times 11. So 6 plus 3 is 9, so 693. And boom, just like that. Why does it work like that? Let's see. When we multiply 2-digit numbers like 34 times 11, we multiply 34 by the second digit of the second number, and then 34 by the first digit of the second number, and when we add them up, we always end up adding these middle numbers. Ready for the next one? 5 to 25 method. Ever need to square a number that ends in 5, like 35 times 35? No problem. The last 2 digits will always be 25, and for the first part of the answer, look at first digit, which is 3, and then multiply 3 by the next consecutive number, which is 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and the answer is 1225. Let's go bigger. 85 squared. The number after 8 is 9. 8 times 9, 72. Append 25, and you get 7225. Why does it work? Well, again, let's square 65. Now rewrite it like this: 60 plus 5 times 60 plus 5. Now let's replace 60 by 10x. Then you get 10x plus 5 times 10x plus 5. And when you expand by multiplying numbers with each other, you get 100x squared plus 50x plus 50x plus 95. And you get 100x squared plus 100x plus 25. And if you factorize the first two numbers, you get 100x times x plus 1 and plus 25. And as you can see, the x times x plus 1, that means that we multiply consecutive numbers. And at the end, we will always have a 25. If you found this video useful so far, hit the subscribe button so you can see more of these videos. Third, next, the all from 9 last from 10 rule. This is for subtracting any large number from powers of 10, like 1000, 10,000, and so on. Let's subtract 487 from 1000, and instead of borrowing a whole bunch of times, we just apply the rule. Take 4 and 8 and subtract them from 9. 9 minus 4 is 5, and 9 minus 8 is 1. Now let's take the very last digit, 7, and subtract it from 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now string these answers together, and we get 513. It works every time. Try it now. 361. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 10 minus 1 is 9, and we get 639. It works because it is the same method when we add up numbers in a column. Yeah, 1000, for example, 1000 means 234. We cannot subtract 4 from 0, so we have to borrow 1 from the first digit, and all the zeros become 9s. Trick number 4 is called double and half. This is for multiplying a number, especially an even one, by a number you don't know the table for, like 16 times 35. But it's easier to multiply by 8 or 70, so we halve 16 to 8 and double the 35 to 70. It's still a bit hard. Let's do it again. We halve 8 to 4 and double 70 to 140. Still tricky. Halve 4 to 2 and double 140 to 280. Now 2 times 280, that's easy. 2 times 200 is 400, and 2 times 80 is 160, and then the answer is 560. This makes huge multiplications feel like simple doubling. Why does it work? Because if we multiply and divide an expression by the same number, the expression doesn't change. Our final trick is for adding long columns of numbers. Most people add like straight down, 1 digit at a time. That's too slow. We are going to find the 10. So what you do is you look for pairs that add up to 10. See the 7 and 3? That's 10. See the 6 and the 4? That's another 10. That's 20 already. Now we only have 9 and 5 left. 9 plus 5 is 14, and then 20 plus 14 is 34. Instead of adding 6 separate numbers, you did 2 quick additions. Practice this whenever you're adding scores or prices. Well, listen, arithmetic is one of the most overlooked struggles of math students. I have talked one-on-one with at least 100 students, and I usually find out that the problem isn't that they don't understand, for example, quadratic equations, but the problem is that they struggle, for example, with fractions, which slows them down and leads to hating basically math. Like Carl Friedrich Gauss said, mathematics is the queen of science and arithmetic is the queen of mathematics.